Hey guys, Trent Brigner here with the Sundance sales team. This is Brian Buckley and Nick Vaughn.
Today guys, we're gonna show you what's brand new for 2023 on this 262RB floor plan. We've done a lot of listening to our customers over the past year, so we'd like to show you what we've come up with.
Super excited to show you. Let's go take a look. Hey guys, I'm outside of our 262RB in the Sundance lineup. A couple of things that I wanted to show on our 2023s are new exterior graphics on our fully automotive painted front cap. Going to the side of the coach, we have massive pass-through storage, fully finished. You have motion detector lights. Also on all of our 2023 Sundances, we're gonna have solar prepped, which is a 30 amp charge controller, which you can upgrade to Sol 190 and Sol 380 with a 2000 watt inverter.
Wow, Trent, the front of the coach looks great. I love how our new front cap turned out.
Yeah, I agree. It came out perfect. Would you mind showing them the rest of the new features on our 2023 262RB?
Yeah, absolutely. So you'll notice that the graphics Trent was talking about up front continue down our fiberglass Azdel composite sidewalls. Other things to take notice of down the side of the coach are upgraded tinted windows, our exterior Bluetooth speakers, as well as our MORryde solid step that you'll notice is standard on every single floor plan. One example of how we here at Heartland RV are always continuing to listen to our customers is here on this 262RB non-bunk couples coach that is now accompanied by an outdoor kitchen. In our outdoor kitchen, you'll get a mini fridge, and we're now doing a Suburban Elite Series outdoor griddle instead of a 2-burner stovetop. There's also a water port directly next to the outdoor kitchen.
Hey, Nick.
Hey, what's up, Brian?
Hey.
Now that we're done talking about the outside of the coach, how about you and I talk about the inside?
Let's do it. You should probably start with the big pantry when you walk in there.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, no matter how big or small the family, you can now bring all of your food with you.
One of the biggest selling features in the 262 is the rear bath, as its namesake. We've got a huge counter space here. Even though we have the outdoor kitchen, we still have a ton of storage here underneath the sink, and then over here on the sidewall next to the shower. What else do you want to show them, Nick?
I love how much space is in here. 6'9", vaulted ceilings, flush floor, slide outs.
Yeah, we've got this nice trifold sofa in here, so even though this is a couple's unit, you have a real bed that folds out if you have guests stay with you.
That's awesome, and it's sitting right across from your floating entertainment system, upgraded with a sound bar, and you also have your electric fireplace that's going to emit some heat.
Creates that great ambiance. And then right next to our couch, we've got our dream dinette here with our open concept seating here. So what's nice here is you don't have any more of those knee knockers, and because it's open on the bottom, you can kind of put your feet back a little bit. Even for those bigger folks, you're not playing footsie anymore.
Absolutely.
All right, then Nick, I want to show everyone our 10.3 cubic foot fridge.
So just like our massive pantry, we're even adding 2 more cubic feet to our refrigerators as well?
Yep, so standard gas electric's about 8 cubic feet, so this being 10, you get about 2 more cases of pop in here.
Wow, that's awesome. Is it 12 volt?
This is 12 volt, so it's going to be compatible if you decide to put panels up top there.
That's awesome, man. Sweet. What is this down here?
Yes, we got our industry first, exclusive to Heartland RV, air fryer oven here, so you're going to have the crispiest chicken nuggets on the campground.
Wow, so Heartland RV is the only one doing this?
You're only going to find these in Heartland RVs.
Dang.
Yeah. I think we should also point out our exquisite cabinetry here, going all the way up top here. Nice deep cabinets for tons of storage.
Oh, and right underneath it, you'll notice a big farmhouse single bowl sink under there. So you're actually able to wash all of your pots and pans and do your dishes efficiently.
Yeah, it's really a great kitchen. Now that we've showed everyone the living area, let's go showcase our bedroom.
Sounds good. Hey, I love how they actually separate the bedroom and the living area with an actual solid door on this floor plan.
Yeah, it creates good privacy, especially like our roller shades in the bedroom here. Traditionally in a travel trailer, you only see this in the living area, but we went the extra step to put them in every room in the Sundance.
Wow, that's awesome, man. And this looks like a residential queen-size mattress, is that right?
Absolutely. A full 60 by 80. Most travel trailers are going to have an RV queen, if you will, so it's 60 by 74. So if you're a little bit taller, you get queen sheets at home, they'll fit this bed just fine.
Nice. Now notice these big openings on the side here. That looks like, I believe it would be, storage for a CPAP machine. We actually have storage and hookups on each side of the bed for your CPAP, USB outlets for charging all your devices. You'll notice these XL wardrobes and overhead cabinet storage space. You're bringing all your clothes with you as well.
Absolutely.
So Brian, I noticed that there's a kind of a dresser type area over there.
Yeah, absolutely. Just one more example of us listening to our customers. I mean, no one's ever said there's too much storage in a travel trailer. So we've really tried to get creative with our engineering team and put some extra storage in the unit. This is just one more example.
Yeah, it looks extremely versatile, kind of like they could use it for many different things, whatever they want.
Yeah, long weekends, full timing, whatever you want to do.
Thanks for watching. Here at Heartland RV, we are extremely excited about what our team has to bring you guys for the 2023 model year.
For more information on Sundance, please visit us at heartlandrvs.com.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.